Hey everyone!
Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today's special DIY live here. We are going to be making a really cool multi-purpose anti-aging balm.
So excited, you know why? Because the ticker line, anti-aging.
Yeah, and it's going to be like super easy to make. It's literally just 2 ingredients, and what's great about it is that you're going to be able to use this on like multiple parts of your body, and we're going to tell you all about it.
Yay! Alright, Ani, tell me how I'm going to look so youthful.
You're gonna look so young in like 5 minutes.
I'm so excited.
We are literally gonna take 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and we already melted our coconut oil, and we're gonna take about 7 to 8 capsules of vitamin E.
Vitamin E oil.
Vitamin E oil, and we're gonna blend it together, and we're gonna make this awesome balm. And what's really cool about this balm is you can use it as like an eye cream, you can use it as like a lip moisturizer,
so here's a fun fact for you.
All over.
Here's a fun fact for you. When you're using eye cream, you should also, like anti-aging eye cream, you should also put it around your lips. Because
that is a fun fact.
Yeah, it gives it a good impact over there. Because like the ingredients that are helping you here also will help you, because you know when you get older, like your lips
the
get
lines
like, wrinkled. You could avoid that by putting eye cream around that too. So when Ani told me about this, I was like, oh, right here.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do is literally just cut the tip of our capsules, and we're gonna pour it into our coconut oil.
Yeah, don't eat
mixture.
it. Warning, don't eat it. It's meant to cut and put into the little concoction we have.
Don't eat
here.
capsules. This is fun. Okay. We got 3 capsules left.
How many capsules did you say?
8 capsules.
Okay.
7 to 8. Added bonus, if you have frankincense oil, that's also really good. Anti-aging. So if you want to add an essential oil, we're keeping it simple today. We're just doing 2 ingredients. So you're going to mix this really, really well. You are going to put it in an airtight container and let it completely harden, because the coconut oil will harden, and then you don't have to worry about it like melting after that point unless it's like super, super hot. So not only is coconut oil super nourishing for your skin, it's actually a natural antibacterial. If you have coconut on hand, you can use it literally as a moisturizer. You can use it to remove your makeup. There's so many benefits for coconut oil, which is why it's in like all of our DIYs.
Yes. And vitamin E oil actually works to block free radicals from the body, which play a large part in the aging process. Fun fact, I just read this actually. If you can fight off free radicals, then you can reduce wrinkles and keep the skin youthful looking. And it's also an anti-inflammatory, which calms and hydrates the skin.
Cool. So our little mixture is done. Like I said, you just need to wait for it to harden. We already made one in advance so that we can make sure that it works, and we've been using it, and it's like really amazing.
It's really, really good.
And it's so easy to make, and you can literally just kind of keep this on hand and use it all over. That's what I love about it.
I don't put coconut oil around my pores, like around here.
No,
It's like this is perfect for
eyes
and my lips.
Or like even like your hands.
Yeah.
Like my hands get so dry from washing my hands all the time.
And it's funny, my latest obsession is like not having like wrinkly hands.
Yeah.
You know, because you forget about your hands.
And don't forget about your chest too,
exactly,
you guys.
Like
you can use this all over your chest, because that's the one place where you cannot hide your age. It's like your chest when it starts to get saggy. So multi-purpose balm, love it, so easy. Hope you guys enjoy this super simple DIY. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment below, let us know what other DIYs you guys want us to make.
And we'll see you next time.
Yay!